You can do other works in your phone. You can check your message, you can check your emails and others. Like this. You can increase or decrease the screen size. You can play next. You can play previous. And you can also access the setting. Now I will show you how you can do this. Go to the Play Store, search for FloatTube, and you will find this app. Download and install this and tap open. You can see it has 1 million plus downloads. Open this and play any video. Let me search. You can also directly access this from the YouTube native app. Go to the YouTube, play a video. While playing this video, you can share this on the FloatTube. It will start playing. You can move the floating player anywhere you want, and you also increase or decrease the screen size also, and you can also do the other things in your phone. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way you can play your videos while working on your phone. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.